So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bria Janae, and in this video I will be giving you guys a room tour finally. Like I said before, I do go to school at Kennesaw State University, and the way that our housing is set up, it's on campus, but it's like a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom. So I'm not really gonna show the common area because we're not really done with like the living room and like the kitchen is just a kitchen. But I'm just, in this video, I'm just gonna be showing you like the just my room and my bathroom, because like my bathroom is inside of my room. So without further ado, I will be showing you guys my room. I hope you enjoy and I hope you like it. So like, this is my door. This is the beginning. This is just when you first walk in my room, and I just have my keys hanging up right there. So I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna close my door. When you first walk in and look to your left, I just have this sign right here on the wall, and it says thankful, grateful, blessed, and it has like my little YouTube name, and it says Bria Janae. And when you immediately look to your right, this is my bathroom. So I went with kind of like an all white, just calm and fresh theme this year with like plants and greenery. They're all fake because I cannot take care of plants. So hey, that's me. So when you come in, this is just my bathroom, and I just have like all of the little necessities and stuff over here, and I just have like some towels and washcloths and cleaning stuff over there, and like a little plant with like an owl, because go to KSU, so go owls. And then when you look on this wall, I just have this sign and it says love, and under it I just have some towels for decoration and like this little plant by my tub. And then behind the door, I have this little thing right here that I found. Oh yeah, so this right here I believe I got from Target. This right here I believe I got from TJ Maxx. This I got from TJ Maxx, but I got it near my school, so this came from Target as well. And then I just have like my robe and then a towel that I'm currently using hanging up like under this little thing, this wall decor. And the rugs and everything I got from Ross, just white rugs. And then my bath curtain I got from Target, and it's just a plain white bath curtain. Okay, so that's my bathroom. So when you come in, I got this big old like mirror that I got from Target. Then I have this rug that I actually stole out of my parents' room, so I don't know where I got it from. This little ottoman that I got it from TJ Maxx. I got it from TJ Maxx, but I got it near my house. And so I have my bed right here, and then a little bit of wall decor that you'll be able to see a little bit better when I go to the other side of my room. And I just have like a bin up under my bed that I didn't really know what to do with, so it's just like under there. And then you come over here and you look immediately to your right, and I have my TV and like some wall decor and everything. So I'm gonna come out here and I'm gonna show you my bed first. So when you come over to like the big area and stuff, I have this rug right here, and I have a rug right here that's by my TV. So with my bed and stuff, and I just have like this little nightstand, whatever you want to call it, that I also bought from Target. A lot of my stuff comes from Target and Ross. And my window, and I bought these little curtains and stuff. The curtains come from Target, and curtain rod comes from Walmart. And then I just have this wall decor right here over my bed. I have this cute tapestry that I bought from Ross, I want to say. And on my bed, I just have a few pillows, a few decorative pillows, and a throw, because I love throws. Like, I love throws. And I have this little, like, I don't even know what these things are called, but I know that I got it from Target. No, I know I got it from TJ Maxx. But my bad, go back to this. So like the wall decor and stuff, I got my wall decor, the vines and stuff came from Urban Outfitters, and then this came from Cracker Barrel actually. This came from Amazon online, and so did these arrows. So that's just my bed, and I guess I can go straight to the right to show you my TV area before I go anywhere else. And over here I just have like this cute clock that I got like my freshman year, and I got this from Ross as well. I got this cute little, whatever you want to call it, wall decor, I don't know, wall decor, whatever. I got it from TJ Maxx. And then my TV, just on my YouTube channel, so go subscribe and watch all 3 videos. And then I got this little thing up under from TJ Maxx as well. I got this lamp from Walmart, and I got this little bin for my clothes, for my laundry from Ross. Okay, and funny thing about these 2 little pins, like I told you guys, right now I'm just, you know, thugging it out with what I have for this YouTube channel. So I actually set my phone on that to record like my intros and outros at school. And then so this door next to like my TV, I have my closet, and above my closet I just have my name. I found them from Walmart, so yeah. And then I also have this wall decor. It's like a sign, and it says, "May your walls know joy, may each room hold laughter, and may every window open to great possibility." And I got this from TJ Maxx, and then I have this little like trash can underneath it, and I got it from Ross. Okay, and then if you come over here to like my desk area, this is like my makeup desk, coffee, everything's like for school, everything. So I can start at the top. So at the top I just have like these pictures, frames, everything. But the thing about these are like, so I ordered the pictures off of Amazon, and I really thought, I don't know why, I thought they came with frames, like they were framed already. But when I got them I was like, oh okay, so they're just pictures. So I went to Walmart and I got like some canvases and Mod Podge, and I like glued them on there. Shout out to Jayla, my teammate, because she inspired me to do this. And so also I just have some more decor or whatever, and this sign that says life is better when you're running, because you know I'm a track runner. And I have this bin right here that just holds all of my school supplies. And I have this little sign right here that says love grows here. And so yeah, got all of that stuff from TJ Maxx. And then on the second row I have this little like candle holder, whatever, I don't know, but yeah. And then I have this little thing that I saw from TJ Maxx because I just thought, you know, it was green, cute, went with my room. And I also have this sign over here that says something, but you can't see it, and it says grateful, thankful, blessed. I don't know if you can really see it. And then right here I just have my book bag hanging up, and I just think it's easier to just keep it right here with like by my desk basically. And then that's basically it for the second and top row. And then on the bottom row I have my coffee maker, because I like to wake up sometimes and make coffee. And then I just have like my creamer, my sugar. Thing about my creamer is my mom broke the top of my creamer, so it's a little ratchet, but it's there. And then I just have it sitting in like this little bin that I got from Ross. This little area is like just like my makeup area, so I have like my little vanity, turns on and off. And then I have just, you know, some makeup and stuff, and like a acrylic little holder. And then I just have this like little thing right here that I got from TJ Maxx, and it just holds like some shadow palettes, highlight, and all that type of stuff. And then right here I just have a little container that I got from Ross that's holding like my pens, pencils, and highlighters, whatever that I do use for now. A candle for when this one runs out, I'm gonna use this one. This little greenery and this little vase that I got from TJ Maxx. This right here is for jewelry and some jewelry in there. And that's just my desk. And then I have like my chair with another little throw, because the chairs are really ugly, so I try to like cover them up as much as possible. So yeah. And then right by my desk I have this little area, and it just holds like my record player and a record on there, and it's currently like the Kalani, one of her albums on there. So I just play that whenever I'm just feeling like playing it, or I just listen to Bluetooth on it, so I can play my own music. And under here I have like this little bin that holds my gadgets and stuff. And then I have this little bin that just holds like hair products, and I'm sure you guys want to see that because it's actually pretty messy. So with this, my record player, I got it from Cracker Barrel, and the record that I have on here I got from Urban Outfitters. This little cubicle I got from Target, And the little bin that goes inside I also got from Target. So yeah, that's pretty much just this area. I have like these lights that go like around the ceiling of my walls that I also got from Amazon. But yeah, so that was just basically my room in a nutshell. It's not too big, but it's just enough space. So just to give you guys another glimpse of everything when you first walk in. That's basically my room. That's all. Let me fix myself, guys. So yeah, that's all there basically is to it. I know that it kind of took forever for me to record it. Don't really know how long it's going to take for me to upload it, but I hope that you guys like, comment, subscribe, and if you see this, comment down below whether you like a subtle room or if you like a colorful and crazy room, because I know everybody's taste in like room decor is pretty different. I went with like a subtle theme this year, and yeah, I hope you guys like my room.